Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google AdMob for mobile app monetization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google AdMob website. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click next. If you don't have a Google account, click on create account to set one up. Once signed in, you will see an introduction to AdMob. Click Get Started to proceed. Review the terms of service provided by AdMob. Click on Accept if you agree to the terms. Now, select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in your payment information to receive revenue from ads. Click Submit to save your payment details. Next, you will set up your first app. Select Add App from the AdMob dashboard. Choose whether your app is published or under development. If your app is published, select Yes. If your app is not published, select No. For the next step, choose the platform for your app, Android or iOS. Once selected, enter the app name as it appears on the App Store. Click on Add App to continue. You will now see an option to set up ad units. Choose the type of ad unit you want to implement, such as banner or interstitial ads. Follow the prompts to configure the ad unit settings. After configuring, click on Create Ad Unit to finalize. You will receive an ad unit ID for your newly created ad unit. Make sure to note down this ad unit ID for future use. Next, integrate the AdMob SDK into your mobile app. Follow the official AdMob documentation for integration steps. Test your integration in your app to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, you can publish your app to the App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.